everyone, Lauren from Wildflowers here with a fun new look for you to try. This is done using our glitter called Jack, and of course our newest product, the Wildflowers Nails in a Box. So when you're using this product and you're using it for a repeat customer, you want to make sure you size it perfectly. It should fit perfect from one sidewall to the other. Next, grab your medium diamond bit and rough up the inside of the nail. Follow with the Wildflowers clear base coat, press the back down, and then slowly press down towards the front of the nail. That gets out any air bubbles. Now cure using the Wildflowers Flash Cure Light. Remove the shine with the sponge part of the 180 buffer, and then blend the back of the nail in a box tip. This really helps it to look very, very natural. So to create the design, you're going to use the Wildflowers Violet Glass Gel and then this awesome glitter called Jack, which is from the Oktoberfest collection. You can use the Wildflowers dotting tool to stick these right into the uncured Violet Glass Gel. What's so cool about this is the Wildflowers Violet Glass Gel really kind of hugs up against the glitters and it almost outlines them. It looks really cool. So scoot them around till they're perfect, cure to freeze them in place, and now you're going to take one coat of Wildflowers built in a bottle just to smooth things out. Cure for 30 seconds, remove the tacky layer, and then use a sponge buffer. Now, we're making sure everything's nice and smooth because we're going to come in with black gel polish down at the proximal fold area. And we're going to bring it halfway up the nail and then use the Wildflowers metallic top coat to blend that together. And I'm going to use my ombre brush. So both of these are uncured, and that's the perfect time to create an ombre. Cure that for 30 seconds and then finish with the Wildflowers top coat gel. This look is so cool and it's so much fun to see it out in the sun. I hope you guys try this. It's a great look for fall. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our longer online courses like this one from the No Show Nail Academy. You can find the information for that in the link down below. If you want to shop on our website is www.wildflowersnails.com. There you will find products, classes, everything you saw in this video. If you want to come to one of our hands-on workshops, just visit our website, click on classes or workshops. You can click enroll to see what we have coming up. Our next big class is in February. It's called Master Artist Week. There you will take 8 nail art classes. It is a week of nail art glory. You'll create 48 nails yourself. I will be there to help you hands-on for that class. So again, it's in February. It's a week-long class. I hope you'll be able to make it out to that. We'll also soon be posting our schedule of some of the other shows that we'll be attending throughout the year where you can catch us. So I look forward to meeting you. I look forward to teaching you more. And consider coming to our Master Artist Week. It's an amazing way to invest in your nail career. Again, you can shop online anytime at wildflowersnails.com. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for tutorials every Thursday, and we are going to have some online classes coming up soon, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching.